This is a review of the Game Day Dozer t-shirt that we're going to be doing a review on, in which the brand sent me out this product as a gift that we are going to be putting this to a test to. And in this review, we are going to go more in depth and show you guys more about this t-shirt. So without going further, let's go more in depth and show you guys more about it. Alright, so here's a walk around tour of this t-shirt right over here. It says Game Day Dozer. It gives that football inspiration vibes. This is in the color of an apricot color, and this is a size medium. I'm about 5 feet 10 inches and 165 pounds, and you can see it fits, very well. It is spacious as well from the sleeves and also from the right over here, so it fits true to size as well. But what we are going to do now is that we're going to do a walk around the front and back view of this t-shirt. And just like that, I would definitely recommend this t-shirt. If you are a football fan and you want to get that football inspiration vibes, then this t-shirt right over here is by far one of the best ones to get. You can pair it up with the chain, you can pair it up with the hat, and best of all, you can also pair it up with the sunglasses. And you can make it a casual fit look, or you could go up and towards that and have a hat and just pair it up and make it look nice right over here. So if you're looking for a t-shirt for football inspirational vibes, then this t-shirt right over here is by far one of the best t-shirts to get, and I would definitely recommend this product.